Friends, this is your friendly neighborhood Reza. I am doing a special countdown to Halloween video today, Tuesday the 25th. I work with a bunch of sticky stuff, so I'm putting on my gloves. Alright. Today is a bit hectic, but we will still have our time together. It's thunderstorming all day in St. Louis. How's the weather where you are? I hope it's better than this. But as they say in a movie I love, The Crow, it can't rain all the time. And so maybe tomorrow will be better. Today, though, today is the 25th of what I consider to be essentially Halloween week. And we are continuing on our little box, big box really. And I think today it's going to be interesting. We're going to do 2 days together. If this is a bad plan, I apologize. But I looked at the various kinds of things that we're working on. I never know precisely what I'm going to do. But, because I like it to be kind of, depending on exactly what I open, how it makes me feel. I do have all sorts of things. Oh, do let me know. Okay, yes. Like, comment, subscribe if you're on YouTube. That would be awesome because I am uploading this to my channel. But let me know if you'd be interested in, I got a pendant, like one of those little pendants that swing and it's a crystal and you can kind of I don't know, indicate things. So I thought maybe I'd make up a little bingo card with a gradient or glitter or gems or ombres or ombres similar gradient, so I don't know what I meant. Color blocking, any various kinds of mani tips and tricks and techniques and things. We're going with 14 first. And I could use the pendulum to kind of make those choices for me and then have another card that's the various colors. And I could make these random on the spot. I have to think of things on the spot with, ooh, look right here. Hey, Maria, how you doing? It's great to see you. We are opening day 14 and 15 today. I'm being a bit of an iconoclast, a rebel. Alrighty, so this looks like a gem picker. And I don't know where mine is, but I might have one of these, so I would feel weird about opening it if it's handy. I may have given mine away. I think I did. I'm going to tell you why I gave mine away. Because I'm weird. Because I have this thing. And I thought, well, my little silicone tippy thing is just fine as a gem picker. Okay, yeah, but this was 75 cents on AliExpress. And this is an actual beautiful piece of art. It's got crystals in it. It's blue. It's beautiful. I really like the packaging, the way that's put together. And I'm pretty sure this is just packaging, so I'm going to slide this right off. So one side looks like it's the wax that's kind of standard on these gem picker things. And another side is kind of steel, maybe. So, you can move the gems around. All right. And now I'm going to open day 15. We're going to see what this is a cooler bag than normal. I mean, all the bags and all the packaging that Beautometry has put together is pretty awesome. But day 15 looks like it is. This actually, these I don't know if you've ever seen Em and Sprout on Etsy, or maybe Instagram, or maybe both, but they do these adorable little Mothmen. Mothman is a cryptid, right? But Mothman's got black eyes with red centers or whatever, and it's pretty cute if you go to Em and Sprout. E-M and Sprout. Oh my goodness, this is like a bag. This is like a... How cute is... Guys. People. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. This is so cool. Okay. Thank you, Therese. I love this. This is so cool. Alright, let's see what's in here. I love the drawstring bag, guys. It was really only a couple of years ago that I figured out that these drawstring straps were essentially, that they're straps and not just a bag. Like you can actually put it on like a backpack. They've been making these things forever, and I just figured that out. Smart people can be so dumb sometimes, I swear. It doesn't matter what my IQ is if I can't figure out a drawstring bag is a backpack. That probably needs some assistance with various things. All right, here we have fancy, fancy gems. So my instinct was good. We're going to use our gem picker, which I've never used one of these. So we're going to use that. And I made some nails on my little witchy fingers. I think I'm going to leave them like this, these witch fingers, because when I first started my channel, like 5 years ago, I was making these little, I was using these little flesh-colored half fingers, and they were freaking people out. They're like, please don't use those. Those are scary. All right, so I'm going to grab, now there is nail glue, but from Beautometry, in fact, very specifically. But I think I might have put that, I used it in a recent video, and I think I might have put it aside somewhere safe. And if I put something somewhere safe, it's not going to be found for quite some time, which I probably should have thought before I moved it. Let me know if you're like this. Like if I see something one place, I have to leave it there or write down where I moved it, because if I move it to a different place, I will not find the second place. I will only remember the first place I put it. All right, so I'm going to loosen this top. And let's start on the black nail. The black nail. I am so nervous about this. What if it doesn't work? What if I do it wrong? I don't use a lot of gems, but I used one pretty recently. All right, so I'm going to put it in the center of the tip. I hope I did the right thing. And okay, we've got one. And it went down on the nail like this. So I'm going to use the tip. Oh my goodness, this is great. So I'm going to use the tip to kind of move it around. I'm going to kind of get closer. I'm moving it too far. This is a very effective little doohickey. And there we go. And I've got a really fancy nail. And this wax tip picked that up great. And then this little steel bit was very effective in moving it around. And I just needed to involve my thumb because I have to touch everything I do. I don't know what it is. So there's that one. I think that's pretty fancy. And these are actually my favorite kind. They're all the clear ones. I do like the clear because you can use them on any old color. All right, so let's try to do something a little bit fancier for this nail. What am I going to do? All right, so first thing I'm going to do is take out the polish from a couple days ago. Does anybody remember this one? It's reflective. It's from Penelope Luz, and it's called Wizard. It's an exclusive for the box. And so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to do my tape, what's the word? My tape color blocking. You could, sticky base coat, not the best idea, Maria. I use the nail glue from Kiss for my gems, because that's like $3.99 at Walmart or Target. And it does hold it just fine. And then once you take off the polish that it's stuck to with acetone, the gems come right off. If you're putting them on your natural nail. I hope that sounds good, Maria. All right, so I did this little color blocking maneuver. Awesome. I'm so glad. Thank you, Maria, for letting me know. All right, so this is a good learning moment, teachable moment, right? So I just did the color block technique and it kind of leaked through. So I'm taking my silicone tools, and I was a little bit slow on this because I'm trying to catch it. In the camera. It does make me move kind of differently. So I'm going to grab this little brush here. And it's got a little bit of acetone on it. Well, it will in a moment. I think I got ahead of myself there. Alright. So let's get some acetone going. Now, sometimes this would result in lightening the load of the main color, but I put like 3.5 coats of this color on. Alright, and that's good enough for, close enough for government work, as they say. Although I know that our government workers, since a few of them are friends of mine, actually do work extremely hard. Alright, but I still think it's a funny joke. Alright, let's go. We're going to go ahead and top coat it. And I'm going to play dangerously. And I'm going to try to stick one of these down with top coat and see how that works. My such feet is kind of gloopy. This is my quote-unquote bad top coat. So this is the one that I use when I'm really just practicing techniques. And then the good top coat that I use is my Swift by Nevermind, which is a quick dry that's better quality, and it's an independent brand owned by a woman, which means that's what I want to support. So here is my little altered French, and I'm going to go ahead in just a second here and try to put one of these guys there and see how that works on the top coat. All right, so we've got one at the top. Let's see if I can put another one at the other end. Look at how quick those and easy those gems come up. Alrighty. So I have one at each end. And I'm going to leave this alone for a few seconds and see if it dries on there. Now this is not an exceedingly secure way to attach these. I just was doing an experiment. I do like the look of that. I think it would be better with one in the middle, but I'm not going to futz with it anymore. Oh, right. Right. No, when I do lives, I get so impatient, Tammy. I just like, oh, hurry up, everything, please hurry up. But I love these little gems, and I do like how quick this is. The wax is better at picking up a single gem than the what's it called? My other little silicone sticker thing was, because that was bigger. Alrighty. So now I'm going to try to kind of move this around. Just lightly. Okay, it's sticking. So that stuck, just sticked. Oh, I'm so good at English. You could tell I was an English major. That stuck. Past tense. Pretty cool. All right. Well, I mean, that gives me about 15 minutes of spending some time with you. I guess that's okay. I'll have to think of something really fancy for tomorrow, so that I make up for just nail gems today. We'll do something fancier tomorrow, I promise. All right. Well, thank you for joining me this Tuesday. And let me know in the comments below if you're in the YouTube channel. Let me know what you're going to be for Halloween, if you have a costume yet or you're putting one together. I am going to be a stellar witch, which is just something I'm thinking of right like this month or last month. There will be stars all over my costume, and I'll have a witch's hat with stars and things. It'll be cool. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me, and tune in tomorrow, noon Central, 1 p.m. Eastern. So it would be awesome. I will see you later. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.